Malayalam actor Shine Tom Chacko, who was seen slipping away from a Kochi hotel during a narcotics raid earlier this week, was arrested by the Kochi police and subsequently granted bail. After around 4 hours of questioning in connection with this case, he has been formally charged under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances or the NDPS Act. In fact, on Thursday, actress Vincy Aloysius had lodged a complaint with both the Kerala Film Chamber of Commerce and the Malayalam Film Industry's Internal Committee. In her petition, she alleges that Chacko behaved inappropriately on the sets of the upcoming movie Sutravakyam, purportedly while under the influence of alcohol.
He was called for questioning today at around 10 a.m. by the Kochi police, and after questioning for over 4 hours, he was arrested by the police and he was taken for medical examination, after which he was granted bail. Now, the police have asked him to again report to police on Tuesday for further questioning, but the actor has clarified that he will report on Monday itself. So on Monday, again, police is going to question him further on drug-related case. During the questioning, the police sources have informed us that he has accepted of using drugs. In fact, his phone records have also given proof to police that he was in contact with a drug peddler, where he has made payments. He was in constant touch with the peddler, where the police have now said that these information have revealed that he is a drug abuse. He uses drugs. And remember, a few days back, actress Vincy Aloysius had alleged that she had to face similar incident on set, where her co-actor had misbehaved with her under the influence of drugs, even though she did not mention any actor's name. When she had filed a complaint with Film Chamber, they had said that she has mentioned actor Shine Tom Chacko's name. Now, when the police asked him questions about that incident, he has said that actress's statement is completely baseless. She is his family friend, and whatever statement she has made is not true, is what the actor has said. But the actor was arrested on the case where a CCTV footage had emerged on April 16th, when the police had gone to when the police were conducting raids in hotels in Kochi. He had the CCTV footage showed him fleeing from a hotel's 3rd floor. So now the police is going to again interrogate him on Monday. That is the latest update.